Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Go Mystical with RJ. How are you all? Now, in this video, I'll be talking about the blood group and their personality. Yes, you heard it right. So, what's your blood group? The answer might reveal some interesting things about you. In many countries, including India, people usually take a close look at a potential partner's star sign to check their compatibility level. But the Japanese like to do things a little differently. They do not rely on the astrological information and signs alone, rather, on the blood type for personality matching and information. Yes, your blood group can reveal your personality type. Personality, according to the blood type, what is it? Each blood group type reflects a personality of a person who possesses it. Now, what's the science behind it? The four primary blood types A, B, O, and AB are differentiated from each other based on their antigens. Antigens are found at the surface of the red blood cells and help explain how effectively your immune system works. You will be surprised to know that in Japan, people are very fond of asking the blood type of other people because they truly believe in blood type personality theory. Japanese people use it as a tool to assess the potential of an employee and the compatibility of two people getting married. A blood type personality. So, if you are A blood group, then you are sensitive, emotional, passionate, and clever. They are very patient, loyal, and love peace, and thus do not like to get into a fight with anyone. But sometimes these people become overly sensitive. They do not like to break the rules set down by society and care about etiquette and social standards. These people take their time to make decisions and are too organized in all spheres of life, but cannot multitask. They like things neat and clean and at the right place, which is why many people with OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, fall into A blood type. People with this blood type also get stressed easily and thus have a high level of cortisol, that is stress hormone. What are the common personality traits A has? They are kind, shy, attentive, stubborn, polite, tensed, reliable, overly sensitive, perfectionist, responsible, timid, anxious, composed, and reserved. Now, some best personality traits. They are loyal, perfectionist, organized, they are consistent. Negative traits: obsessive, overly sensitive, pessimistic, stubborn, easily stressed, fastidious. These people make reliable and trustworthy friends. They do not like to show their emotions and feelings to anyone unless comfortable with them. Now, coming to the B blood type personality. These people are very creative and quick decision makers, but they are not good at taking orders. They put every part of themselves into something they want to focus on. They have a very strong desire and drive to be the best of everything they do. But just like the A blood group, these people are also not good at multitasking. People with B blood type are thoughtful and empathetic towards others and make good and reliable friends. These people also face a lot of discrimination because of their negative personality traits such as selfishness and being uncooperative at times. The society also focuses on the negative side of the people with B blood type, even though they have a good side too. But as a result of this, they tend to be loners. Positive personality traits: they are curious, strong, relaxed, creative, adventurous, passionate, cheerful, active, and outgoing. Negative personality traits: they are wild, erratic, selfish, unforgiving, uncooperative, irresponsible, unpredictable. Now, coming to AB blood type personality. People with AB blood type are a mix of A and B personality types, just like their blood group. These people are complicated and can have dual personalities, like they can be shy like A type as well as outgoing like B type. They try to keep their true personalities from strangers, thereby making most believe that they are a mixed personality. It's hard to decode these people until you know them thoroughly. Also, these people are the rarest blood type in the world. They are charming and make friends easily. There will never be a dull moment in a group of friends, even if only one of them is AB blood type. They are poor at handling stress. AB people are very careful while dealing with others and are empathetic. These people also have exceptional analytical and logical good personality traits. They are charming, controlled, cool, dream chaser, caring, rational, trustworthy, adaptable, and creative. Negative personality traits, they are complicated, vulnerable, irresponsible, self centered, forgetful, unforgiving, and critical. Now, coming to O blood type personality, people with O blood type personality, they are daring, outgoing, and go-getters. So they have a habit of setting high standards for themselves and do all they can to achieve them. These people have excellent leadership qualities and little things do not bother them, which makes them appear as selfish to other people, especially to A type. They are generous, kind hearted, and loving. They adapt well with changes. They are resilient and flexible and can do better than other blood types in tough situations. Positive personality traits. They have leadership quality, they are easygoing, positive outlook, confident, calm, outgoing, cautious, loyal, peaceful, passionate, independent, reliable, carefree, trendsetter, and devoted. Japanese people call people with O blood type warriors because they are strong and enduring. These people are honest and hate people who hide the truth. Negative personality traits. They are jealous, ruthless, rude, non punctual, insensitive, cold, unpredictable, self centered, and arrogant. Now, guys, guys, this was regarding the personality traits of A, B, O, and AB blood group. Now, I'm telling you about the easy guide to make compatibility decisions. So, if you are O blood type, then O blood type is compatible with AB type and O type. A blood type is compatible with AB type and A type. If you are B blood type, then you are compatible with AB type and B type. If you are AB blood group, then you are compatible with all the blood groups. So, I hope this video must have educated you regarding some of the personality traits of all the blood types. Now, stay tuned for my next video, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe so that for my next video you will get all the notifications. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.